Welcome and thanks for joining us on this brief tour of the Department of Materials Engineering at UBC. Given that we're one of the smaller engineering disciplines, a natural first question from many is, what is materials engineering? Our department aims to develop engineering graduates with expertise on all facets of the life of a material, from cradle to grave. The starting point on this journey is to understand how we can liberate useful engineering materials, metals, ceramics, and plastics, from their sources, be they mineral or biological in nature. The next step is to convert materials into products through manufacturing, recognizing the characteristic properties of each material. In use, materials will change over time and may fail unexpectedly. Materials engineers play a vital role in ensuring the safety of products and investigating when failures do occur. Ultimately, every product has an end of life, and what happens to that product at this point can have a significant impact on the environment. Developing materials that can be more easily recycled to enable circular economies is a high priority. More broadly, we can think carefully about the life cycle impacts across all phases of materials life, with an eye to reducing energy consumption, carbon footprint, and other potential harm factors. Now, with this as a starting point, how do we achieve our goal of creating materials life cycle experts through our undergraduate program? In your second year, you will take a number of fundamental courses aimed at helping you to understand the vast range of properties associated with metals, ceramics, plastics, and biological materials. You participate in an introductory lab which highlights some of the key testing methodologies we use to assess these properties. There are also opportunities to get to know the faculty better through initiatives like our second year research immersion program. In your third year, you'll build on these fundamentals with Term 1 focused on materials processing and Term 2 focused on materials performance. You can take courses that focus on particular classes of materials while also taking courses that attempt to highlight commonalities and differences between these materials. In your fourth year, the options for your course selection open up significantly, with 21 credits of technical electives for you to choose from. We've curated these technical electives into 4 streams, each stream containing courses that will help you to delve more deeply into your preferred topic. In the materials manufacturing and performance stream, you can delve more deeply into topics ranging from composites to sustainability to advanced characterization. The aerospace materials stream shares some commonality with the manufacturing stream, but with additional opportunities such as a course in certification for aerospace engineering. In the biomaterials stream, you're able to focus more deeply into the intersection between engineering materials and the human body, and to take courses in biomanufacturing. Finally, the minerals and metals extraction stream leverages our department's world-renowned expertise in extractive metallurgy, this overlapping with aspects of mining and chemical engineering. Across all of these streams and through all 3 years of our program, you get experience with experimental techniques used for materials fabrication and materials characterization. In addition, we have a strong tradition of developing analytical models that help us to predict material behavior, building from the fundamental atomic scale behavior up to the scale of a part. As a small department, you get to know your classmates and faculty members well through your classes as well as through social events. Our annual alumni meetups are a great way to make connections as well. Materials engineering students are involved in all aspects of student life at UBC. Many are positioned in leading roles within engineering design teams. Our department also has a strong record of students holding senior leadership positions. Materials are involved in all aspects of our daily lives, and so it should come as no surprise that materials engineering graduates are positioned across a multitude of different industries with a wide variety of roles and responsibilities, as highlighted by this illustration of job titles from our recent graduates. This diversity is reflected in our individual graduates. Grads like Mojen have gone on to work in manufacturing industries, including automotive, where materials expertise is vital, spanning from design to quality assurance. Alex, a recent grad, has taken up a position in the field of nuclear energy, working on material selection and design of small modular nuclear reactors with the Canadian Nuclear Laboratories. Darren Bromley is a leader in the field of hydrogen, leading certification efforts associated with its use in vehicles, as well as being known as an international expert on its effects in materials. Sari, another recent grad, highlights the possible role of graduates in materials research, working with a company that is looking to leverage high-throughput experiments and sophisticated material simulation to accelerate materials discovery. This is only a small sampling of the companies that hire materials engineering graduates. Graduates currently hold positions within these manufacturing-focused companies and aerospace industries. Companies in the field of energy, including clean energy and energy consulting. And finally, many of our graduates have gone on to successful careers in companies focused on materials extraction. With the expertise gained through understanding the full life cycle of materials, you can see that our graduates are well positioned to contribute to society across all facets of industry. Whether it be in the role of project management, forensic engineering, or research and development, the opportunities are wide. With that, we conclude our brief tour through the goals and outcomes of our Materials Engineering Department at UBC. Please do not hesitate to visit our website and to reach out to us if you have additional questions about our Materials Engineering Department or Materials Engineering in general.